Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am going to use this Sigma Beauty Warm Neutrals Volume 2 palette. It has matte and shimmery shades, and I will use a few brushes of this Sigma Basic Eyes brush set. And I'm priming my eyes with the MAC Cosmetics Paint Pot in the shade Soft Ochre. I will bake my under eyes with the Huda Beauty baking powder in Pound Cake and this power blender. I am baking my under eyes because of the fallout of the eyeshadows I will use. I will dab the color After Hours on my lid with this flat eyeshadow brush. So the next color is Before from the Morphe 15T palette, and I will blend this together with the brown color I applied on my lid. I'm doing this with a small blending brush. I will blend the color Toasty at the outer edges with the Sigma A40 blending brush. I will add some sparkle on my lid by using the color Fool's Gold on my lid. I'm using the same colors on my lower lash line, and I will use the Sigma A55 brush to apply the color before with. Now I'm going in with the color After Hours, and I will blend this close to my lower lash line with the Zoeva 226 brush. And this white eye pencil by Catrice Cosmetics to make the eyes look bigger, and some mascara of my lashes and my bottom lashes. I will highlight my inner corner and brow bone with the color Charmer and the Sigma A30 brush. And this is the result of today's look. I hope you like how it came out, and I hope to see you by my next video. Give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye guys!